What's the meaning of creationism? Creationism. Creationism.
Creationism. Creationism. Creationism refers to the belief that the universe and all living organisms were created by a supernatural being, typically God. This belief is often based on religious texts such as the Bible. Creationists reject the theory of evolution and argue that life on Earth is too complex to have arisen through natural processes. The result of creationism is a worldview that places God at the center of the universe and emphasizes divine intervention in creating and shaping life on Earth. It is a controversial belief that has been debated for centuries, with many people on both sides of the issue passionately defending their position.